In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Gamma IE presentation. By the end, you'll know how to go from a blank idea to a polished deck you can present, share, or export all inside Gamma. Start by heading to the Gamma website. On the homepage, click Sign Up or Log In. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Click Create New to begin your project. This opens the starting options and sets the stage for how you want to build your presentation. You'll see 3 ways to start. Generate with AI, start from a blank canvas, or use a template. For speed and a solid first draft, choose Generate with AI. It's the fastest way to get a complete structure with content you can refine, and you can always switch styles later. Now enter your topic in the prompt box. Be specific so Gamma can tailor the content. For example, you might type marketing strategy for small business or social media tips for beginners. Then click Generate. Gamma will analyze your prompt and produce a set of slides with headlines, sections, and supporting points, giving you a strong baseline. Next, review and edit your slides. Click any slide to change the text, adjust phrasing, or personalize examples. Add or remove sections to fit your message, and rearrange slides by dragging them into the best order. This is a great time to double-check facts, add your data, and keep each slide focused with clear headings and concise bullets or short paragraphs. Customize the design to make it yours. Change the theme or style to match your brand or tone. Adjust colors and fonts for readability and consistency. You can also add images, icons, or videos to reinforce key points. Aim for strong contrast and enough white space so your content stays easy to scan. If you need more material, click plus add card to insert additional text, images, videos, charts, or embeds. Charts work well for numbers and trends, while embeds let you bring in links or live websites for interactive demos. Keep the flow logical so each new card advances your story. To refine wording, highlight any text and open the AI options. Use rewrite to improve clarity, expand to add detail, or simplify to make complex ideas more accessible. This is perfect for tuning tone, trimming jargon, and keeping language consistent across slides. When you're ready, click Present for slideshow mode, or choose Share to send a link or collaborate with teammates in real time. Finally, export your presentation as a PDF or a PowerPoint file if you need an offline